model, 2008 Ford Transit 2.2 Tdci 85T 260 short wheelbase, front-wheel drive camper day van conversion needs engine repair. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 123998. Engine, 2198 cc Tdci 85 PS DURATORQ-E. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. The engine is shaking, and there is a lot of back pressure. We suspect it is down on compression on a cylinder. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, part service history, wind-up windows, sink, bed.